Hey everybody, just wanted to ask you guys to please subscribe if you're watching this video or any of my videos and find these helpful. This is a 2072 Traxxas servo gear kit we're putting on a 2018 servo. So we'll start with the gear, bottom gear, then the one on the left, and then what we'll do is go ahead and this one you have to line up, so there's a little tab that it fits, and then you'll see that it has that little stopper. Well, that stopper is important later on when you put the case on. So just make sure that that stopper is in between those two holes, so it's in the right position. We'll go ahead and put on the final gear here, which will go like that. Okay, sorry about the dirty fingers. Working over here on some RC cars on a Friday afternoon. Everybody's getting ready for the weekend. Put the bearing on last. Okay. So the assembly is pretty much completed. I'll find the servo case and we'll pop this on. And once that's on, we'll be good to go. Doing it one-handed, so I'm going to have to depart. Please subscribe. Thank you.